Hey there YouTube! Today I bring you a very special treatment. This 2013 Nissan Juke Nismo, and this is gonna be a full in-depth tour of the Juke Nismo. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of the interesting features inside and out. And so, here's the key. Lock, unlock. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. Also, this car comes equipped with a smart key access system. Right now the car is unlocked. To lock it, press this black button once and it locks the car, and to unlock, press it once again. Simple as that. Wide opening doors, it's almost like 90-degree. Black leather interior. Bucket seats, red stitching, and this Juke Nismo has 1.6 liter turbocharged engine. It produced 200 horsepower. To start the engine, put your foot on the brake and then hit this button. Fires right up. Beautiful. Free spoke design, multifunctional steering wheel, leather wrapped, Alcantara inserts, 3 to 9, little grips right here. Beautiful, just beautiful. Manual tilt only, to just use this lever right there, and you can find first position. Comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering, rack and pinion, very fluid steering. This car has automatic lights. Right now it's in the headlight, fog light, it's also high beam, and of course, as usual, hazard lights. Driver side window, automatic down only, and to roll up, hold. Right now, let's open the hood and take a look at the engine. Fuel cap release, aluminum support pedal and aluminum kick plate. And right now guys, let's take a good look at the exterior of this beautiful Juke Nismo. And that beeping you hear means that the proximity key left the detection of the interior. Your spoiler with the third brake light, your antenna, rear defrosting glass, rear wiper, license plate lights, rear view camera, rear fog light, single exhaust, in my opinion, beautiful tail lights. Red strip. Beautiful dark painted 18-inch wheels. Tires measuring 225/45 with 4-wheel disc brakes. Continental tires. Heated windshield wipers, this area. Turn signal indicators and fenders. Beautiful red mirrors. Standard halogen headlamps. High gloss black finish on the grille. Chrome accent on the grille. LED washers. LED daytime running lights. This car has inline 4, 16 valve, 1.6 liter turbocharged engine. It produced 200 horsepower. Maximum speed of 250 km per hour. 0 to 60 time is 7.8 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 9 liter per 100 km. The car is 4-wheel drive. Gorgeous wheels. And right now, guys, we took a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion. Two-tone door panels, high gloss black finish, power window lock, central lock, rest of your power windows, fully manual driver's seat, Nismo emblem, adjustable headrest and seatbelt, Alcantara seats, beautiful, just beautiful. Sit high, recline, and sliding right there. High headlights, power mirrors, they also heated, and power folding. Turn off the traction control, headlight washers. Beautiful black headliner. And right now, guys, let's see what kind of noise this beast produces. Red gauges. Very nice sound. Free revving engine. You can definitely hear turbo whistle. And torque. Nice, very nice. Very smooth engine. And your power mirrors. And power folding. Very convenient, especially in tight parking spaces. High gloss black finish right there. Your vents. Light indicator controls. And here's your intimate wiper control. Your driver information system. Your odometer, outside temperature, fuel and temperature, tachometer and speedometer, trip A, trip B, average fuel economy, range, current fuel economy, how many time you spend on the road. Beautiful. Audio controls on the steering wheel. Raise and lower the volume. Via Bluetooth you can connect your telephone. On-hook and off-hook button. And of course Bluetooth streaming of audio. You have different preset settings for your audio. Like select between different saws. Or just select between different track. Or select between different stations. Your cruise control settings. Very nice. Build quality and all the materials are pretty good. You can find hard touch plastic almost everywhere, but it's well done. High gloss black finish on the center console. Beautiful, just beautiful. CVT continuously variable transmission, leather wrap gear stick, and of course manual shift, minus and plus for the upshift and minus for the downshift. And of course your rear view camera with guidance lines. Nismo, gorgeous, just gorgeous. Outlet right there. Auxiliary USB integration right there. Very light e-brake. 2 cup holders, heated seat, 2 stage, high and low, for the passenger and for the driver, and storage right there. Manual zoom rear view mirror, microphone for the hands-free, your map light. Sun visors, vanity mirror, no illumination. Good visibility, huge mirrors, extremely comfortable seats. This car has 6 airbag and your infotainment system with CD, also with navigation, touchscreen display, 4.3 inch, telephone control, AM FM, your 6 preset station, as you can see, select between different track or select between different station, camera adjustment, and different options. Right now let me change language to English right there. Alright then, select between different CD or auxiliary, turn it on and turn it off, camera, map, options, store current position, show position information, and map setup. Nice, very nice, and zooming basically. Very nice little display. Your navigation, destination, new address, back button, points of interest. It's pretty much self-explanatory, I believe. My points of interest, address book. Alright then, next page, intersection and map. Beautiful map, I must say. As you can see, very quick. Very quick. Nice, quite nice. Options. Previous destination. Your various settings. Weather forecast. Fuel price. Google send to car. Next page. Find information. And Eco Store. Pull away, cruise. Beautiful. For the display, night mode, automatic, and your general setup, such as audio settings, bass, treble, balance, fader, speed sensitive, auxiliary level, your navigation settings, and of course telephone and Bluetooth settings. System settings, display, clock, language, and information. Very easy to use and very easy to adjust, and ready of course. Your SD card for the navigation, and also this car comes equipped with the 6 speakers, but this car doesn't have Bose audio. However, the audio quality is pretty good. Nice, very nice. Down here you can find your single zone fully automatic climate control, your temperature adjustment, air conditioning off, one touch automatic, different modes right there, and of course front rear defrost, recycle settings, and fan speed. As you can see, it looks pretty good. And your D mode, normal, sport, your torque, engine, CVT, and eco, your general setup. Right now let me choose language, English, yep. Once again, display brightness, button brightness, select language, climate, eco. Very nice, I'm truly impressed. Very nice, clever thing. And I'm 6'3" myself, my legroom is pretty good, and my headroom is more than enough. Extremely comfortable seats. And right now, let's move on the back seat. Your power window, bottle holder. Back seats also has ISOFIX system, adjustable headrests, and they do fold to increase more cargo space. As you can see, completely flat to increase more cargo space. And as you can see, my legroom is not so good, and actually my headroom is limited. Your cart hub, and there is no central tunnel, beautiful. And actually, there is no central armrest. Very nice looking interior. The back seat is suitable only for a two-person. Trunk is pretty small, but it definitely suits your daily needs. Only donut, tools, no illumination. Convenient handle. Your fuel cap. Also, you can turn off front passenger airbag. Central lock, your power window. And you can find same manual adjustment for the passenger seat, except seat height. Your rock compartment, very good size. So, in general, very impressive car. Very nicely equipped. And especially I like 1.6 liter turbocharged engine. 200 horsepower is more than enough for this car. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2013 Nissan Juke Nismo edition. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to catch me next time. There's plenty more it came from. Thanks for watching and take care guys.